Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or set up a bedtime mode on your Samsung smartphone, or if you want to basically put your Android apps to deep sleep. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click this settings. And the next step, then you need to scroll down and then find and locate this digital well-being and parental controls, and then click. So here in digital well-being and parental controls, and the next step, then you need to scroll down again. And then you can see this at the bottom, this bedtime mode, and then click. And the next step, so create the right environment to help your sleep well and wake up on time. Then you can see this start and then click. And now set your usual sleep and wake up times so you can adjust now. So this is the days, and then you can enable also this wake up alarm, and also this alarm sound you can enable or disable the vibrations basic call. Then you can enable or disable also. And then with this is noise, then you can set also how many minutes or how many times. And then if you will set up already here, then you need to click this next. And then here you can also turn the settings, turn on do not disturb to avoid distractions on this mode. Then you can also turn this button or you can turn it off. Also with calls and messages, and also with app notifications. And again, once you're done here, and then click next. And then here, choose settings to apply when sleep mode start. So you can choose if you want to grayscale, dark mode, icon port shield, sound mode and volume, power savings, and if you want to set already, and then click done. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.